Pusing na yan. Nagkamali ako ng pindot kasi ginulo mo ako anak eh. No, I'm just kidding. Ah,
What's wrong?
I died. Mm.
Because of me.
Because of you. Ay, nako. Hindi na ako mag-MVP tuloy. Hindi ako sayang namamatay ako pag naglalaro eh.
The same did mommy.
Yeah, I'm playing with mommy. Gusto pa score natin.
Why you mostly?
Grabe yung marksman namin. Lakas.
Daddy, why you always mostly use Minotaur?
I mostly use Minotaur. That's the only hero I know eh. Because I don't play a lot of ML. So I don't get to practice
I
other
play more
heroes.
than you.
You
I
play
can't
more than
see.
me. Sasaktan siya.
MCB Rolly.
Ayun na, ayun na.
My best character.
Ayun na.
I also have Minotaur.
You also have Minotaur.
Yeah?
Life itself is a
Minotaur.
Ano bang gagawin natin dito?
Minotaur.
Diyan tayo. Patayin
You
natin
hear my
yun.
mom playing?
Patayin natin.
Yeah.
Ba't nawala? Ay, kinain. Lang yan. Nagulat ako nawala eh. Pumunta pa man din ako doon. Nagsayang lang ako ng lakad. Pinasok niya pala sa mundo ng mga limaw. Nadala siya sa spiritual na mundo.
Daddy, how you can dive in your phone?
Ha?
How
I
you
know,
can dive in
right?
your phone going to the computer?
I know, right? Uy! Hindi
How
tinamaan.
did you do that?
Magic, anak. That's magic.
I don't think it's magic. How did you do
Uy,
this?
laban yun ah. Laban ka brad ah. Boom! Ano, patayin na natin ito? Hindi na kailangan ng SS, no? Hindi na kailangan ng SS. Ayun oh. Patayin natin yan. Ay, kakamali ako ng pindot lagi. Ay, mali ako ng pindot lagi ah. SS ako sana, nasa lang.
You did.
Okay.
Never mind.
Pasukin na natin. Papasukin ko.
Daddy,
Papasukin ko.
Daddy, why Minotaur, right?
Yeah.
Minotaur has a lot of code, but it's that bad.
What do you mean sad bad?
Like Minotaur is bad when
Ha?
why Minotaur has a lot of code, right?
Ah, malakas ba yung Freya? Malakas nga, ano? Ay, hindi ko napindot, putik. Hindi ko mana, in-slate ko eh.
Asian.
Uy, sakit. Ano tama ng tower? Oh, joke lang. Oh, tayo natin yun. Para mabilis, tapusin na natin to.
Yeah, I can just win 3 games and then I can play with
Yeah, yeah.
three games.
You win 3 games and then you can play good at it.